going to make an omelette. I want a cheese omelette with onion and pepper. I will use a knife, a cutting board, a frying pan, a spatula, a bowl, a small bowl, a whisk, or a fork. You can use a fork if you don't have a whisk. A stove. We will use 2 eggs, 2 slices of cheese, part of an onion, part of a red pepper, butter, salt, black pepper. We will also use the prepositions of, in, into, out of, on, to, around, with, under, and over. The red pepper is on the cutting board. The knife cuts through the pepper. I chop the pepper with the knife. I put the pepper in the small bowl. The onion is on the cutting board. The knife cuts through the onion. I chop the onion with the knife. I put the onion in the small bowl. I turn on the flame under the frying pan. I put butter in the frying pan. The onion and pepper come out of the small bowl and go into the pan. I cook the onion and pepper in the butter. I put them back in the small bowl. I put the cheese on the cutting board. I cut the cheese into smaller pieces. The cheese is in the bowl with the onion and pepper. I put 2 eggs in the other bowl. To beat the eggs, I move the whisk around and around. The omelette will cook over a small flame. I pour the eggs into the pan. I put the onion and pepper on one side of the omelette. The edges of the omelette might stick to the pan. I don't want the omelette to be stuck. I use the spatula. I take the omelette out of the pan and put it on a plate.